To better understand how Metasploit works, let's review its structure. Metasploit is a framework which consists of different modules. Each module is responsible for the certain actions. But first, it is necessary to understand some terms we are going to use during the whole course. Metasploit consists of four main modules. Exploit is used to take control over victim's machine using weakness in system and programs. That is why we perform scanning to find system weakness. Payload is used to make some actions which attacker wants to do if exploitation succeeds. For example, installation of backdoor for remote management, system shutdown, and many other things. In many cases, payload is used with exploit, but in some situations it can be used as a standalone file. Post module is used after successful exploitation. It provides additional tools for attacker. For example, privilege escalation, spy software installation, stealing of user credentials. An auxiliary module can help attacker in reconnaissance and scanning steps. It provides many different tools, including exploits. Now, when we know about modules, we can dive deeply in modules structure. Exploit module contains a lot of different exploits. These exploits are grouped by operating system, for example Linux, Windows, Android, and many others. These groups are also subdivided by programs and protocols. It's done for easy navigation and searching in Metasploit framework. For example, if you want to attack SSH protocol on Linux system, you just go to exploit/linux/ssh directory, and from here you can select exploit you want. Payload module has almost the same structure, but there is a little difference. Payload module has three types of code. It's singles, stagers, and stages. First, let's consider stagers and stages. When exploitation is successful, a payload is executed. Payload consists of two parts, stager and stage. Stager establishes communication channel with Metasploit, and after that it downloads stage, a second part of payload. When stage is downloaded, it is executed and performs all the actions what attacker wants to do, for example remote shell. Single is a standalone file which combines stager and stage in one. Why do we need three types of payload? There are two main reasons. The first one is to reduce the size of payload. That is why for exploitation we use one small part of payload, and then the second one is downloaded after successful exploitation. The second reason is flexibility. Many payload scripts perform the same set of actions. That is why developers decided to divide them on two parts. And these parts can be used in different combinations. It's up to you which type of payload to use, singles or stagers. Everything depends on situation. And as before, payloads are also divided by type of operating systems. Post modules has the same structure where all the scripts are divided by type of operating systems. But the structure of auxiliary module is different. It's not grouped by operating systems and protocols. It's divided by the actions. I recommend to review the file system of Metasploit at your own. Just open File Manager on the side panel and change directory to user/share/metasploit-framework/modules. You will find all available modules.